Hey there everybody, Clayton Biker Cowboy here at Paradise Harley Davidson. I just wanted to kind of do a quick walk around on this 2020 Street Glide CVO. The wheels are quite a bit different than the special model. They don't look it from a distance, but these spokes run to the outside of the rim here. They're really cool looking wheels. Got the new adaptive LED headlight. This color is called Sand. It's kind of a lighter version of the Gunship Gray. It does have a lot of cool pearl in it, just like the Gunship did. Of course, you got a 117 cubic inch motor. This one comes with a sport crash bar. This year they eliminated the lowers and added the front spoiler down by the oil cooler down there. Got the same cool badges as last year. Love the red highlights on these cylinder heads. New graphic down here that says CVO. You've got the smoked chrome finish on the pipes. I really dig that. This one we added a sissy bar, quick dock hardware. Still got the cool LED CVO style taillights. I love this seat. I think it sits quite a bit better than the other ones. It sits you back just a little bit more, it feels like to me. That could just be the way it felt when I sat on it. Got a brand new dash panel this year. So they did a clean dash. It says CVO, got a nice kind of brushed finish plate there. Still got your gauges. You do have traction control, the RDDS system on this. Other than that, your trip meter is about the same. Still going to go through, range to empty. Tire pressure monitoring system still on board this bike. It also has ABS and all of that stuff. Beautiful, beautiful bike, heated grips. This color is rad. If you haven't seen one in person, come down and check this thing out. Definitely a fan of it. Harley did a great job. That Gunship, I think they really nailed that color, and this was a great way to come back with something cool and still kind of have the same look but different. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to Biker Cowboy YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.